proud to induct the next dog faces into my army.
Do it! Oh! Just do it!
No! Make me a nasty dog. Make me a nasty dog. But let Itchy go and turn the pups back. It's all my fault that they're here in the first place. Oh!
Charlie, you're finally going to get exactly what you deserve.
Sorry, Itch.
You know something, Charlie? I don't feel different at all. Do you suppose I was nasty all along?
Hey! It didn't take! Itchy!
Charlie!
I'll never ignore my responsibilities again.
Oh, Charlie!
Hey, what's so funny?
Gotcha, Charlie!
Annabelle?
We went to a lot of trouble to pull off this sting operation. I hope you learned